Apple just unveiled the iPhone 17, but what if I told you they've already given us a sneak peek into a much more interesting future? A future where the iconic iPhone design might finally shed some weight, but not quite in the way we hoped. So, you just digested all the news from Apple's jaw-dropping event about the new iPhone 17. Maybe you're already eyeing that new Pro Max. But here's the thing. Apple never really sleeps, and the rumor mill certainly doesn't. We're already getting some pretty juicy whispers about the iPhone 18 series, which, let's be honest, feels like eons away. Yet here we are. The latest buzz comes courtesy of Instant Digital, a Weibo account with a solid reputation for Apple leaks. They're telling us to expect a slightly smaller dynamic island on the iPhone 18, the iPhone 18 Pro, and even the Pro Max. Now, if you remember, we actually heard similar whispers about the iPhone 17 Pro getting this very same reduction, but Apple kept the design unchanged. So consider this a second chance, a do-over, for that smaller pill-shaped cutout. And why does this matter? Well, we see a smaller dynamic island as a deliberate, careful step Apple takes towards that long-promised, almost mythical all-glass iPhone. You know, the one with literally nothing breaking up the screen. It's like Apple is finally trimming that last, stubborn bit of bezel, inch by pixel, moving closer to their ultimate vision for their 20th anniversary. But here's where we hit a snag, and it's a familiar one. For generations now, rumors have consistently mentioned under-screen Face ID for the Pro models. iPhone 16 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro, and now, yes, even the iPhone 18 Pro. We kept holding our breath, right? Well, Instant Digital pours some cold water on that hope. Their latest intel suggests we won't see that technology until the iPhone 19 Pro, or even later. So, you can definitely take that off your iPhone 18 wishlist. And along with that, don't expect an under-screen front camera either. You'll still see that visible camera module, just nicely nestled next to the smaller dynamic island. It seems Apple is taking its sweet time truly hiding away those essential components. Now, before you go all in on these predictions, let's talk about Instant Digital's track record. They've nailed some big ones, like the iPhone 17 Pro's vapor chamber cooling system, that distinctive yellow finish for the iPhone 14, and even the titanium Milanese loop for the Apple Watch Ultra 2. They definitely have sources. But, and this is crucial, not all of Instant Digital's predictions have panned out. Remember some of those iPhone 17 rumors that simply evaporated? Exactly. So, we're navigating a mix of informed speculation and wishful thinking here. The iPhone 18 series is still, realistically, about a year away. So consider this just the opening act. We're going to see a parade of leaks and rumors unfold between now and then. It's all part of the fun, isn't it? So, is Apple playing a long game, slowly chipping away at the bezels and cutouts, or are we just witnessing the usual dance of iterative updates? Do these small design tweaks actually excite you for next year? Or are you hoping for something more dramatic? Let us know what you think. Subscribe, hit that follow button, and join us next time for more tech insights.